The following video contains content which may be considered inappropriate for persons under 17 years of age. Viewer discretion is advised.
Places everyone. Roll camera. Cue the shield. Scotty.
You sent for me, Sam?
Where are the captions?
You said cue the shield, so I cued the shield.
Yeah, but where are the captions?
They've gone on strike.
Captions Union, Local 123. The captions want more money.
Get those captions back to work or they're fired.
Watch it, Sam. You shouldn't be such a control freak anyway.
Yes, sir. Asswipe.
I heard that.
Well, look at that. First the shield without captions, now the captions without the shield.
The captions came back, but the shield's gone on strike. Swah, 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 ruffle, 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 ruffle.
Don't steal my laugh lines, guy.
Chill out, Sam. You don't own that last line, remember?
They are right, Sam. Don't get upset when people use your laugh line. Remain calm. Oh. Tantrum in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No, damn, crap, that laugh line belongs to me and anyone who steals it is a thief, you hear me, thief.
Sam, are you alright?
I'm alright, Hannah. I just get so pissed off by people stealing my laugh line.
It's nothing to get upset over. You'll have to accept it sooner or later, okay?
Okay, Hannah. I'll try, but it won't be easy.
Wild Ducks Pictures presents
The world is quackers. Swah, 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 raffle, 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 raffle.
Scotty.
You bellowed, Sam.
This is not Warner Brothers 7 Arts and it's not 1967, you dig?
I'm no clock watcher. Sheesh.
Shush the sheesh, Scotty.
Dave, you tell one more person to shush the sheesh and I'll sick the sheesh alliance on you.
You do that, Sam, and I'll call the Shush the Sheesh Foundation.
Oh wow.
I could have had a V8. V8? Twice the size of a V4. Ha 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 swah 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 rotho.
Scotty, come here.
Oh, brother. Not another lecture.
Yes, another lecture. You don't seem to know what should be on the shield.
Judas Priest, Sam. Every time you lecture me, you make me feel like a second-grade kid in school.
This is the WP shield, Scotty.
I've got eyes, Sam. I wasn't born yesterday, you know. I don't need any lectures from you to tell me what the WV shield looks like. Sheesh.
Shush the sheesh.
Hello? Get me the Speaker of the House of Representatives in Washington, D.C., please.
Sam, what are you doing?
Hello? Mr. Speaker. Could you guys in Congress pass a law banning the Shush the Sheesh Foundation?
Oh, no you don't, Sam. Guy, cut the line.
Will you, Dave?
You're despicable.
trouble.
Hello? Hello? Alright, Dave, did you have the line cut?
Yes, Sam. I heard you trying to get Congress to ban the Shush the Sheesh Foundation. The president would have vetoed the bill on the grounds that endless sassing would have resulted.
Scotty.
Sam.
I won't take any more of your sassing me. You're fired.
Fired. Fired. No, damn it, Microsoft Sam, you have no right to fire me, rehire me now, or I'll kill myself, and if you deny responsibility, you'd be guilty of perjury, you hear me? Guilty.
Scotty, are you alright?
I'm alright, Eula. Why does Sam keep firing me every time I protest his control-freak attitude?
Don't take it so hard, Scotty. I'll see if we can get Sam to rehire you.
Thanks, Eula. That makes me feel a whole lot better.
And me too.
Aha. Fraternizing with the person I'd fired. This is mutiny. Get the rope.
You're not spending any money, Microsoft Sam.
You bring back Radar Overseer's copy or there will be serious consequences.
Not the angry P-head and the two-headed P-head. Send them back. Now.
Calm down, Sam. You should know better than to let parodies of logos scare you.
You're right, Anna. But it's all Radar Overseer Scotty's fault.
I deny that, Sam.
Liar, liar. Pants on fire.
Don't give us any ideas, Microsoft Sam.
Radar Overseer's copy did not coax us into coming here.
We are here on orders of the Dibble and She-Dibble.
Since Dave Madson put a restriction on their appearances in his videos, they sent us to torment all of you.
I still say it's Scotty's fault, and this mutineer deserves eternal torment for it.
You double-crosser, Sam. I am not a mutineer.
You are too a mutineer.
I am not.
You are too.
I am not.
You are too.
You are all equally guilty.
If you don't surrender your souls, we will shit all over you.
You'll never take us alive. Never.
And don't you dare get filthy with us, you evil logo parodies.
Enough. Shall we let them have it?
Let's do it. Bombs away.
Gonna. Not again. You.
Look what you did to me. Ew. Ew.
Sick. Gross. Ew. Ew.
Filth mongers. Ew. Ew!
How dare you evil logo parodies get filthy with us? Take that.
Curses. Foiled again.
You win this time, but we'll be back.
Later, after Sam, Scotty, Bula and Dave got cleaned up and Sam apologized to Scotty and rehired him.
Foo.
As in Manchu. Fu Manchu. Ha 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 swap 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 up raffle up raffle up raffle up raffle.
Who's the insubordinate that put FU on the shield?
Not me.
Not me.
Not me.
Let me remind you that you're never supposed to say FU to your boss.
Probably the angry P-head and two-headed P-head in retaliation for being beaten back.
They said FU to me. Well, I say FU back to them. Raffle, 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 raffle.
Hey you.
That shield's becoming a real stinker.
Ha 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 ha.
Warner Brothers Pictures presents That's All Folks. One short picture that was. Slaw, 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 ruffle, 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 ruffle.
Oops. Methinks I goofed again.
You think's right, Scotty. Let's try once more.
Not now, Sam. It's getting late. Let's pick it up there in the morning.